Hey guys, I'm Katie Wilkinson, back with another video. On this YouTube channel, I help young entrepreneurs, creatives, and just individuals learning their YouTube skills and also pursuing their passions. So on today's YouTube video, I was hoping to talk about the current iPad Pro and just different accessories that you guys can use, cheap and affordable, especially if you guys are students and all you really want to find online are just protective equipment and gear that you can use for your iPad and save it from getting a cracked screen or just save it from being scratched or dropped. So without further ado, I thought I'd jump into today's video and just show you a couple of little accessories that I have and that you guys can definitely find online. Now, some of the accessories I've found include this Moco case, which is a flip form for the iPad Pro, the 12.9 inch. As you can see, it's a slim, lightweight fit, and it's perfect, really. And next up, I actually scored this $10 case online, which was pretty nice. This was from Officeworks, but I've also found a couple from Amazon. Which I'll definitely have linked down below if you guys were interested in finding this. Now, just a little disclaimer, I do make a small commission from these affiliate links, but if you guys wanted to check these out on Amazon, definitely feel free. It's just really great to save money, especially if you're a student and you're looking for the most compatible products to use with your iPad as well. Now, as you can see here, I'm also using this lovely little silicone case for my new Apple Pencil, second generation. It fits like a glove and it's just perfect because you've also got that little cap, and yeah, it's just really nice to have. Also, if you guys were interested in this little silicone pencil for your iPad, definitely check down below and I'll have that linked as well. It's pretty awesome to have because not only is this little thing a little bit waterproof, you can just also keep it there. It keeps the gunk and the dust and other things off your electronics, which is really helpful, and I can easily just take the cap off and start using Procreate, which is a lot of fun, and yeah, it's just easy to use. You can also charge your pencil through the casing, but you just have to be careful that it doesn't fall off your iPad, just to be safe, which is always sensible. And as you can see, it fits nicely in my hand. It's really easy and flowy to draw with, especially when it covers the pencil. So if you guys were interested in this little silicone casing for the iPad pencil, then I'll leave that linked down below as well. And also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below, are you guys using the new generation of iPad? Currently I have an iPad Pro 12.9 inch, which is really great for sketching with, especially if you're using Adobe or Procreate, for example. But yeah, I look forward to making more iPad related content and just assisting you guys, especially if you're learning your way around YouTube and you're creators and you're wanting to make an outreach on social media. Don't forget to comment down below. What are some of your favourite accessories? Do you have any simple, cheap and affordable ones that you like to buy? Or any other products that I could mention in a future video? Now, next up, I would also like to talk about this lovely screen protector that I found online. It's the GE Tech screen protector for the Apple iPad Pro 12.9 inch. You can find the 2020 generation and also the 2018 model online, which is really good, and it came with this lovely covering and it was simple to apply, but I'll show you guys that in another video, which was really fun to make. And yeah, it's just definitely great to have, especially if you're sketching all the time and you're picking it up. You don't want to put extra marks or break the screen or do anything like that, but it's just really nice to have. And last but not least, my favourite little accessory slash laptop stand is just this laptop stand I found on Amazon. It's simple, it's black, it's really chic and easy. It just sits on my desk there, as you can see, even with the case on, but usually I take the case off and set the iPad down and just start sketching that way. It also gives me that extra support. That way it's a little bit of ergonomics at the same time, so I'm not straining my hand by just, or my neck, just staring down at the iPad. But anyway guys, comment down below, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in for another video. Thanks for watching. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.